Okay, we got the Nova on the dyno. It's obviously to check the new engine, the power output, and calibration of the management to the new engine. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so Davi's car went on the dyno, the Nova, and it went really, really well. That's really all I've got to say about it. It's definitely, yeah, if you thought you had a fast prototype in this country, you no longer have as fast as one. But yeah.